probably started about 4 years ago. The vision started to appear through meditation and lifetime. And it's something that evolved with my healing and my shedding of filters around my mind. And even though I wasn't sure what form the project would take, I knew that part of it was to bring women together and gather the women. And it's an inherentness in all of us as women for us to nurture. And I didn't know at the time when I first started that it would be a project for Mother Earth. I just knew to keep focusing on, I got given snippets of information, enough to keep me going, but not enough to tell me what I was going to do. And I suppose it's the same for all of us, that I'm just, like Jill said, I used to be in the room with you guys, and I still am in many workshops, and the work never ends in clearing ourselves of filters and what gets in our way of being clear in our mind, and now I'm working on filters of my body. So it's like opening it up for everyone to say, well, what is there for me? Where am I meant to be on this planet now? Well, the Quilt Project's just one aspect of it for me. And as the visions got clearer, it became clear that I was to facilitate, really, because I don't think we're ever really, I'm not sure, I suppose responsible is a good word, but we all co-create, and all we are is a vessel for something to come through. And what came through was to bring women together and create a web of women's visions for the planet. And each of us to have the gift that we bring to the planet in our own unique ways, and to bring that together and then feed it back in. And it did form a visual of a web for me, and also golden grids of light, which I'm yet to discover how to access. And some of you may be able to shed some light on it. And I'm also trusting that over time, as this process evolves, the knowing will come. And so I suppose I wanted to share too, for all of you, to trust what comes for you, and to see what part and what piece of the puzzle you'll play in our time on the planet now. So what we've got here is really the start, the beginning. We've probably got about 30 or 40 pieces. There's probably about 200 pieces out there that haven't come back. And we don't, at this point, it's not going to be a finite project. It's going to keep going. And obviously we're not going to attach it all to one piece. We'll have pieces that will add over time. And the centre actually starts, it's an interesting story with the centre. Another story of trusting your intuition, because I called forward a group of women to help with the centre. And it actually ended up being Black Saturday. And I get emotional because it was a very powerful day. We actually got together in Eltham to do it, and I knew that I had to ground quilt. I didn't know how. We just did it.
Enrica's with us today. We've got a women's gathering in the spiritual group happening on the weekend. But Enrica's project is a women's vision united for Mother Earth. She has a quilt, and I'll get her to tell you a little bit more about it, but I'd just like to read you a little bit about what she's written. This is Gather the Women. Our planet is at a critical point. How we currently inhabit Mother Earth is unsustainable. It requires a shift from living of Mother Earth to living with Mother Earth. Indigenous cultures have always done this, and many people have commenced a shift, a great turning, with the understanding that we are all in this together. My hope is to bring together the vision that women, the world over, have for Mother Earth, to help heal her from my heart to your heart, to the heart of Mother Earth.